Hello, this is Andy, and today we're going to do a setup on the SRX Automation lab. Okay, so we got to go ahead and set up the environment first, and then in the next video we are going to start the lab in this class. So what we need to do is go to the GitHub and go to the JMPL Automate repository. There is a repository called JMPL Automate Demo class. So what I'm going to do is I will clone this library, this repository to my desktop. Okay. So I open up a machine and I will do this git clone and paste the link. There you go. Okay. So what we're going to do is it will download the class objects and copy it to my directory. So we'll just skip this step until it's done. And actually it's not too bad, it's about 140 meg. So the next step we'll do is we will look at the file. So there is a JMPL class directory created. CV into this. Okay, and you see there is a vagrant file. So we'll take a look at this. Okay, so basically a script and it will download the VMs and set up the virtual network. And okay, so let's go ahead and vagrant. And it will go ahead and download the two SRX and also the two Ubuntu server. And we'll just wait until it's done. Okay, so if we look at the VirtualBox right now, you should see 4 VMs running. Okay, so 2 of them is the SRX and 2 of them is the Ubuntu. The next thing we want to do is look at the handout. Okay, so now from the demo class directory, if we go to handouts, and you should see a automation demo topology. Okay, so we open this up. Okay, and basically this will be the topology. You can see there on the VM there is 4 okay, on inside the VirtualBox there are 4 VM. Okay, so 2 of them is representing the student side, so there's a virtual SRX, and then there is the NetOps machine. On the other hand, this will be the instructor's machine, and this is the another virtualX, and behind it is another private server. Okay. So there we go. We have 4 VMs running on the node. Okay. Next, we're going to try to access this virtual machine. In the directory demo class, there is a vagrant file. So let's take a look at it. Now, all we need to know that is there's machine number 1, and you can see this is defined as NDO. Okay, and let's move on. The VM number 2 and we have defined there's a machine called SRX. Okay, and VM number 3, we have a machine called SRX head end, and VM number 4, we have a machine called private server. Okay. So that is corresponding to these 4 machines, right? NDO, SRX, this is the head end, and this is the private server. Okay, so let's open another terminal. Let's see. Okay, actually, let's okay, so this is my terminal, and I will just open another shell. Let's do 5. Let's go back to the first one. So the first machine is called NDO. Right? So if we do Raven SSH NDO, Raven SSH NDO, we should be able to log on to the first machine. Okay, so this is a Ubuntu machine. So next one, let's do Raven SSH SRX. Okay, so you can see I'm at the root student. So this is a student SRX box. Okay, the first machine, this is called SRX head end. Okay, so let's copy this. Do this. Raven SSH. Okay. And this is the instructor's SRX machine. Okay, and then finally, the last one, this is called private server. Okay. So alright, so we are able to access these 4 VirtualBox machines. So one thing I recommend is what we can do is since we are going to play with the configuration on the SRX and the Ubuntu, what we can do is basically you do a clone on this VM first. So if you mess it up, you can just use a clone to replace the one you mess up. Okay. So and how do we go about shutting down this environment? So it's very simple. So you can do the same directory. You do a Raven alt, and it will going to shut down all the VMs. Alright. Cool. And if we go to the VirtualBox, you can see, so now it's actually turning off this one now, and it's going to turn off the other ones. Okay, I think that's it, and we will continue to start the lab in the next video.